Hello guys, welcome back to today's mathematics lesson. So in this lesson I will share with you how to solve this mathematics question. Okay, so the question is express in standard form and rationalize. Okay, we're trying to express the question in standard form and rationalize. We have the question here. This is the expression. We have 1 plus tan 60 divided by 1 minus tan 60, and we have the option from A to D. Now the question is, how do you attempt to solve this question if you find this question in this upcoming Jamb examination? How do you solve this question? This question is quite very simple, so let's look at the solution together. So let's say that, let me take my pen out. So let's look at the solution. Okay, now the first thing to come to your mind here is so that's what you express it in standard form. Now we have 1, okay, let me write it out. So we have 1, okay, 1 plus, okay, tan 60 divided by, okay, we have 1 minus tan 60. Now the first to cut your mind what is tan 60 in standard form. Okay, what is tan 60 in standard form? If you still remember, in a standard form for tan 60, we have tan 60 in standard form is equal to, that is root of 3. That is tan 60 in standard form. So this simply means that this one become this 1 plus, okay, instead of write tan 60, you write as root 3. So it means that we have root 3 here, okay, divided by, okay, 1 minus, we have root 3. That is tan 60, that is root 3. Now we have expressed this word in a standard form. Now the question is that after expressing in standard form, rationalize it. So what does it mean by if we're told to rationalize a question? It means that rationalization means is a process of omitting a rational number from the denominator. We have this root 3 here is a rational number, so we want to omit, we want to cancel this, or we want to find a way you can omit this rational number from this denominator here. In order to do that, you have to multiply this denominator by the numerator and denominator itself, whereby this sign will change. What do I mean by that? It means that we are multiplying this denominator with the denominator and denominator itself, whereby the sign here will change. That is how you do rationalization. I get now. So that means that this will multiply the numerator by 1. This sign here is minus. When you rationalize it, when you multiply by the numerator, the sign will change to a plus. So that means that I have plus root 3 divided by the same thing applicable to this, multiply by the numerator here. That is 1 plus okay, root 3. Now let's do the simple mathematics. Let's multiply it now. So in this place now, you just like the numerator here, this one multiply this, and also this one multiply this. Now let's sort of first deal with this numerator here. That is 1 times 1 here, that give us 1. Okay, so 1 times plus root 3 here, let's give us plus root 3. Okay, now we are done with this one now. So let's go to this root 3. Now plus root 3, that is plus root 3 times 1, that is root 3. Okay, now we have root 3 times root 3, that give us as root 9. That is 3 times 3, that give us 9. So that is why we have a root 9. I get now. Now we have done with this numerator. So let's go to the denominator here. So that will be over. That will be over. Now 1 times 1 and that is that is 1. I get now. Now we have 1 times root 3, that is plus. We have plus root 3. Okay, now we have minus root 3 times 1, that gives us minus root 3. We have minus root 3 times root 3, that gives us minus root 9. Do you understand now? I know I is very simple. Now the next thing to do here is to now let's do the simple mathematics here. Now root 9 here is equal to 3. Okay, root 9 here is equal to 3. So if you look at this place now, root 3 here and root 3 is going to both sides now. Root 3 plus root 3, that gives us 2 root 3. This one we give us 2 root 3. So therefore we have our 1, okay, plus, that is 2 root 3, okay, plus root 9, that is 3, that is plus 3. Everything divided by, we have this one, we have 1 root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3, that gives us a 0. Yes, and so here because a 0 here, so cancel this will give us 0. I have minus root 9 is equal to 3, that is minus 3, that gives us as this. Yes, and that is 1 minus 3. What you get, that is minus 2. So therefore, this one becomes, here we have 1 here, 1 plus 3 here, that gives us 4. So we have 4, okay, 4 plus 2 what? Root 3 divided by, that is 1, that is minus what? 2. Okay, now let's move further. So in this place now, this 2 is 2 can divided by this 4 here, and 2 can also goes in this what in this 2 here. You understand? Or either you say 2 divided by this 4 here, or you say that or you can split it, because this 4 and this 4 share this minus 2, and this 2 with 3 share this what minus 2. So let's split it to make it easy. So to be equal to this place may get confused if you are not careful with this place. So that is the reason why I said that maybe let's split it for you to understand it more better. So that means that we have 4, okay, divided by minus 2, okay, plus the same thing applicable to here. We have 2 root 3 divided by minus 2, because they both share this word, this minus 2 here. So minus 2 divided by 4 here, that gives us as minus 2. So here we have a minus 2. Okay, we have plus. So minus divided by 2 here, minus 2 divided by plus 2 here, that gives us as plus what? That gives us as minus 1 here. So this minus, we affect this plus here. So let me put this as minus here. Open bracket, that is minus what? Root 3. Okay, let's put as minus root 3. So plus times minus, that gives us as minus. So the answer is equal to minus 2. Okay, plus, sorry, it's not plus. Let me try to read it back. So that's minus times plus, plus times minus, that is minus. So it means that we have minus what? Root 3 here. So the answer is equal to minus 2 minus root 3. So if you look at the option we have here, you can see the option is option B. So this is the answer to this question, and that is the step by step to solve this mathematics question. So follow us for more interesting class like this. Thank you. Let's meet in the next class for more interesting mathematics class. Share with a friend. God bless you as you do so. Thank you.